Throw is the word candle makers use to describe the scent of a candle. A good candle should have a strong enough throw to leave an impression on a customer when it's unlit and when it's burning. Cold throw refers to the strength of the fragrance when it's not burning, whereas hot throw is the strength as it's being used. You may find that your candles have a great cold throw, but fall flat when they're being burned, or vice versa. If your candles don't have a good throw, whether it's hot or cold, here are a couple reasons why that might be the case. You're not using fragrances made for candles. With thousands of fragrance oils on the market, it's easy to accidentally choose scents designed for perfumes or body oils. These fragrances aren't suited for wax and can't handle the heat of a burning flame. Reputable fragrance manufacturers clearly indicate how their oils should be used. For example, we use icons and labels on our web store listings to show which fragrances are suitable for candles. Also, the oils you choose should be uncut, containing only aromatic raw materials with a bit of solvent for blending. Fillers weaken the scent, resulting in a poor throw. You're adding the fragrance at the wrong temperature. Candle wax is made of crystal-shaped molecules that expand with heat. When melted, these gaps allow fragrance oils to settle in. If the wax isn't hot enough, the fragrance won't distribute evenly, leaving unscented spots in the candle. Heat your wax to about 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and then let it cool slightly to 175 before adding the fragrance. This ensures the wax expands enough for the fragrance but doesn't get so hot that the aromatic compounds burn off. Stir thoroughly for even distribution. Sticking to this range can significantly improve your candle's scent throw. Your candle is underwicked. Candle wicks draw melted wax and fragrance into the flame, and the wick size must match the candle size to create a full burn pool. This pool is essential for releasing fragrance, as melted wax expands and releases the scent trapped inside. An undersized wick can't form a proper burn pool, reducing hot throw and failing to release base notes like vanilla, sandalwood, or patchouli. These notes ground the fragrance and give it staying power. If your candle doesn't create a full burn pool, consider using a larger wick. You're not allowing your candles to cure. While a candle may appear ready after cooling to room temperature, it needs time to cure. Even after solidifying, the wax molecules continue to settle, trapping fragrance oil in place. Proper curing ensures a consistent burn and stronger throw. Cure times depend on the wax type. Paraffin and parasoy blends need 2 to 3 days, while 100% soy wax require at least a week. Burning a candle too soon won't give an accurate measure of its scent strength. Patience during curing leads to better results when testing your candles. In summary, achieving the best scent throw for your candles depends on selecting uncut candle-safe fragrances, adding them at the correct temperature, ensuring proper wicking, and allowing adequate cure time. Aside from these tips, keep in mind that fragrance performance also varies based on whether the candle is lit or unlit. Top notes are more volatile and easier to detect when the candle is unlit, as they evaporate quickly into the air, giving your candle a strong cold throw. Conversely, heavy base notes with their slower moving molecules become more prominent when the candle is burning, releasing deeper, more grounded scents. This is what helps a candle have a strong hot throw. Understanding these dynamics will help you craft candles with a balanced and captivating fragrance profile. I'm Caitlin with Aromatic Fragrances International, and I hope this video helps you achieve scented candles that fill the room with all of your favorite aromas. For more candle making advice, check out the tutorials on our channel or dive into FragranceU.com for hours of free educational content on this topic and more. As always, thank you for watching, Fragrance Fam, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!